S21B on the left, and they're both on 100%, and the S2 here. So it's not a completely fair comparison, but you've got the CSL PM1 in the S21B, and you've got the CSL NM1 here on the S2 Plus. Okay, and they definitely both are powerful throwers for such little hosts, but I mean, the larger reflector and the better heat sinking abilities, the brighter LED that just throws and produces more light than the S2 Plus. But the S2 Plus, I'd say, is pretty good for just a little flashlight that you can carry around in your pocket. Look at that. But yeah, more sustained lumens as well I'm seeing in the S21B. Let's try up at that tree. Oh. Hot spots next to each other.